till the day I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I bought yesterday late evening these two, I can say, new or nowadays production boxes, CLATRONIC LB200. And why? Because I would like to record two videos. One is about these boxes and second one about the impedance of nowadays boxes. So watch my next video about the impedance, because here is from 4 up to 8 ohms the impedance. Not 4, not 8, not 15. From 4 to 8. And why? I explain it in my next video. And these are, as I told before, I don't know how old they are, maybe 10, 15 years, lightweight. You usually see here on my YouTube channel the boxes. I have problem to put them on the table here. These are lightweight, I can hold it in 2 fingers, but they have, what I must say, it's not bad, metal grills, real metal, yes, not so thick metal. It was here a little damaged, but regarding these metal grills, the speakers are protected from the home animals like children and other. So as you can see, the speakers are in pretty nice condition. Yes, I see here some small damage on the cone, but tampon for this for this metal grill. This is also design thing of design, because if you see, I don't have here such a boxes. If you see these boxes with these grills on, you can think, yes, it's pretty nice. The metal here in front of the speakers, metal. It's only silver paint, but if you look here, it looks like aluminium. So let's try them. Not so bad for such a cheap and lightweight boxes. Let's try the track number 3. This is from the YouTube library, only the track motorbike. Left channel. Right channel. Stereo. Next one. So, dear friends, I must say that I was awaiting much more worse sound. Sound for such a cheap and lightweight boxes is not so bad. So, if you are looking for boxes anywhere in garage or to your weekend house and terrace, and so I can recommend it. It's not so bad as I was awaiting before when I was purchasing these boxes. So I must say, it's after a long time nowadays production which I have here on the table, and So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. Have a nice day.